Hello everyone, how are you? I do hope you're well. Is this okay with the light or should I have the light off? No, we'll keep it like this. I want to say a big hello to all my new subscribers. It's lovely to have you here. Thank you so much for joining. To all my other subscribers, thank you so much for watching my videos, commenting on my videos. I do really appreciate it. I do really appreciate your support. I do reply to every single comment. If I haven't replied, it's because I've not been notified of it. I value every single comment. I still remember my very first comment. I still remember my very first subscriber. So I hope you're all doing okay. I know some of you have been struggling a bit, be it your physical health, mental health. Everything can be so overwhelming at the moment, isn't it? It's like rush, rush, rush. Just purely for an example, had a lovely comment. I'll show it here actually. And it was from a lovely gentleman on one of my days out videos, Sheldon and Tinmouth. Thank you. So many childhood memories being in both Tinmouth and Sheldon, and later of my parents who used to rent a house or cottage for their holidays. Such good memories. Thank you again. And it's comments like that that make me do what I do. Now, it wasn't a jewellery tutorial. Obviously, it wasn't a jewellery tutorial. And as you know, I do cover like days out. I've not had a chance to do anything. We just had a bank holiday weekend and I was just in the garden. I thought the most amazing little squirrel cafe. I'll show you. As yet, squirrels haven't used it. The crow has. I've not got him on camera, but he knows where the nuts are. But I do have a website, Low Cost Craft Supplies, and there you'll find jewellery that I make, craft and jewellery supplies. So obviously by doing this, I will give you some ideas. I've got the cutest little dinosaurs in. It's just having the time to make these tutorials. So I'm going to make some cute dinosaur earrings today. So if you haven't subscribed to the channel, please subscribe to the channel. I have got hundreds of tutorials, ideal for the complete jewellery beginner. So come and make these cute dinosaurs with me. The green ones even match my dress today. Perhaps I should have worn them. So come on, let's go and make these dinosaur earrings. So these are the dinosaurs. They are so sweet. And as you can see, they're available in lots of different colours. What I've done, I have got lots of green, and the colours they sent of these, there isn't enough, apart from black, there isn't enough to make pairs of earrings. I do have more of these on order because I didn't realise that they were so cute. If you look at these, I don't have a Sharpie to hand, but I have got this marker pen I found lying around. Can you see they look better with eyes on them than without? So I'm going to put eyes on mine. I think they look cute with eyes, so I'm going to put eyes on. So just some simple eyes. Okay, so I'm going to make, these are stainless steel, but that's what I'm using today. And we've also got these hoops, and these are available they go right up to size 55mm. Obviously you can just wear them on their own, or we can add some charms, which is what I'm going to do today. So I've got 2 pairs of pliers for the jump rings. Again, if you're new to jewellery making, check out my basic videos. So these are 5mm. I only need 4 of them. and I've literally just placed an order for more different, I've got these in different sizes of stainless steel, but I've just placed an order for some thicker ones. I mean, these are absolutely fine, but I just personally want some thicker ones to use myself. Remember, everything is available in small packs, so you don't have to buy huge packs. So we take a jumper ring. Oh, look at that spin. I bet I couldn't do that again if I tried. So we open the jump ring. We place it through the earring wire. Obviously this bit is going to be, if you're facing that way, this is how the earring wire will go into your earlobe. So then we take our charm. We want it facing that way. Pop it on. Close them up. There we have our little dinosaur. Isn't that cute? I should have been modelling them. And my dress is exactly the same colour. So again, open the jump ring, thread through, take the charm, thread the charm, and close the jump ring with no gaps. And there we have another one. And then with these, this should be okay, this size. Let's have a look. Actually, I think I'm going to use some a little bit bigger. I think I'm going to go for those, which are 7mm. Yeah, I'm going to go for these, which are 7mm. If you are making jewellery to sell, I hope you're doing really well. I hope you're doing really well with your sales. And I love seeing, I've got a Facebook group, and I think it's got over 900 people on, but I've had it for over 10 years. It's completely dead. It's hardly any reach at all. So I'm thinking about making a new Facebook group, and then we can like share what we've made, and then obviously if people are having a hard time doing something, but then we can help them out, and you know, everything will be super friendly and really supportive. So if anyone's not supportive, out they go. I'll boot them out the door. I think I might do that. Actually. Right, so we're going to pop these on here onto the loops. Also, they go into the ear this way. Pop the charm on. Close the charm. I do like those. Look at those. Oh, they're so sweet and obviously so simple to make. Oh, I know plenty that will wear these. Oh, love, love, love. Even if I say so myself. I love making fun earrings. You've seen my orange and lemon earrings, haven't you? Gonna make yourself stand out. Gonna make your creation stand out from the crowd. Alright, so I'll pop those on. Got another dinosaur. Close. And there we have that one. Love, love, love. So if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, and if you can leave a comment down below, I would so appreciate it. It just helps the algorithm see there's some interaction, and they do actually share my videos out to more people. All my social links are down below. So thank you so much for watching, everyone. Enjoy the rest of your day. Happy crafting!